Versoly website builder complete tutorial for beginners. Hello guys and welcome back to my channel, and today I'm gonna step by step show you how to create your own website with Versoly.com. It may sound complicated, but in fact it's really easy to do, and in a few minutes I will show you how to do it. First of all, you need to click this button start building free, or you can log in. Then you will be redirected to this page, Versoly demo, Versoly.com, and you need to tell to Versoly.com about yourself to optimize your onboarding. So what role best describes you? Based on the answer, you will be shown relevant onboarding questions. So either you early stage founder or executive or manager or individual contributor or maybe freelancer. So I'm gonna just choose this one, early stage founder, and what are your main job functions. Um, so let's choose designer and customer support. I don't know how many people are in your company, so let's choose this one. What are you planning on working on? So this will help us show you relevant onboarding questions. Okay, and skip unneeded steps. Build a brand new project. Okay, so next step, project name used as a new project and workspace name. So let's name it like let's project number 228. How will you start? Blank project and components. Maybe if you want to start from scratch, you'll need to choose this one. Converting from Figma. No, we don't want this. Free template or paid template. Okay, let's choose this one, free template. I think this is gonna be best variant here. What are you creating? Landing page, marketing site, directory site, blog, other. Okay, let's just imagine, just for this video, that I need to have a landing page. And what features will you use on this project? Analytics, okay, forms, no, blog, no, API, export code. Okay, let's just have analytics. Visual editor mode, I prefer to use designer. And what tools do you currently or plan to use with this project? Um, it's up to you guys if you want to use Discord or maybe Trello or Airtable, whatever. If you want to integrate it to your website, you can easily do it, or just even Google Docs. I'm just gonna none of the above. Next step. Okay, let's wait. Now we can start making our website. We can preview templates, free templates here, or we can also start from scratch with blank site, or we can import the paid template. Let's choose free one. uh, Business type, for example SaaS, and landing page. You can see pretty nice, all of them templates, really good looking, but I'm gonna just choose this one, create. And now we are ready to edit it more accurate. So here we have pages, home page only, of course, because we have a landing page website, but if you want you can edit from here, add page, add folder, import pages, components, navigator, CMS, insert here. You can insert some elements or layouts for your website. Themes, of course, you can have theme manager. You can work with colors here, with fonts, with colors again, classes, and all this designer stuff. And you can add blocks here. For example, let's have contact form here, and drag this section here, or maybe lower, whatever. And you can change layout here, spacing, sizes, position, backgrounds, images, colors, all this stuff. You can work with this text. Let's close it. You can delete it. You can write whatever you want here. For example, I don't know, work with these elements, display, alignment here, size. You can see it's changing. Also options here, you can tag this. You can work with animations here. So let's insert something. So just put an element. No. Let's choose image and edit here. And I can change this image, change to icon, move before, move after, delete this, or I can delete this, whatever. And image, I can add an image right here, change it, drag files from my computer, I guess, and yes, okay. What's next? We can background here, image. Also, we can add an image as a background image. Also, this image was added. I don't understand how, but doesn't really matter. You can see this background image. I don't know how, but it's working. So I guess that's kind of good. Here you can swap devices, for example, desktop version of your website, tablet version, and mobile view. You can swap it and edit it for some versions, you know. I think I need to delete this one, this element, or okay, let's just skip it. And one interesting feature about this website that you can have that you can work with your right click of the mouse. So here you can just interact, and you can right click and have some stuff like move before, move after, save as a clonable, duplicate, delete, copy classes, and paste classes, cut classes, hide section. If you didn't know, with most of website editors, with website builders, you can't have this stuff. You can't use your right click, only left click, and like UI here. So kind of cool. And let's, for example, quick actions here, pages, components, and get it. You can work with spacing here, like you see it's changing here, with placement also. So basically you can do whatever you want really with all the sizing. You can see many functions here, many options, and this is only about landing page. You can create your blog page, whatever. You can have many pages here. Add page. Please save your changes before adding a new page. Yeah, that's kind of cool. Cool tips. Always save your changes as frequently as possible. And guys, when you're done editing your website, you just can publish it with only one button: publish. Go to site, publish site, add custom domain here, or you can export site, share it, staging, go to the page. With only one click you can publish it so anyone can see it. So kind of cool website. I really recommend you to try this out. I think that in this video I showed you enough of the basics of using this website. I hope you like this. Leave a like, press subscribe button, and see you soon.